What will bother me is if I take my parents to the Winterfest tonight and it's not nice weather.
Yeah, I'll tell you, it was a mild day today. We had a cold front go through this morning, but it didn't do a whole lot to the temperatures. But we've got some cold air pushing in tonight. First, I promised the kiddos out at Jefferson Area High School. That's my alma mater. I spent career day with the 7th graders out there. I'm just going to get out of the way. I had a lot of fun. These guys are all geared towards science, and we did a lot of sample forecasts and just had a great time out there. I got to meet some old friends, some old colleagues as well. And I'll tell you, just a wild time out there at Career Day. They have a really good thing going there, lots of computer programming and all sorts of tech classes out there that I did not have when I went. So they were in good hands out there in Jefferson. Temperatures, though, as I mentioned, yeah, it was cooler today, but overall not a bad day. We're still in the 40s, all things considered. Just a couple degrees below our average high this time of year. But that wind direction's key. We started the day with that wind out of the south. It shifted behind that front to the northwest, and it's kind of gusty out there. But it's really not the air mass now that's going to bother us. It's later on tonight as we have a secondary front that's going to float through the area. Now, we did have some rain showers out towards Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, northern Trumbull counties today. We're high and dry here this evening. If you have evening plans across northeast Ohio, you'll be okay. But look what's happening off to our north. We've got a secondary front right about here that's getting ready to cross Lake Erie, and we do have a little lake effect connection going on. Not a big deal. It's not going to last long, but the secondary front is going to bring in some cooler temperatures tonight. So we got cool this morning. Tonight on into tomorrow morning, we're going to call it cold as that temperature will continue to drop. And versus 24 hours ago, you could see the chunk of that cold air is really still off to our north. So overnight tonight, we'll drop back from the 30s and then eventually into the 20s for some of you. I think we'll hold on to the 30s for those lake effect connection areas. So look at the temps tonight. Yeah, you'd expect this overnight, but it is going to be a little cooler waking up. This is for downtown Cleveland. We'll hold on to those clouds. Some of those outlying areas, I think, down to the south, down towards Mansfield. Areas of Ashland County could get down into the 20s. So our model, there's no rain right now. Our model's saying, yeah, we've got rain area-wide. So I'm going to call this overdone at this point. But notice kind of the trend as we go through the overnight. I do think we'll kick off some more showers. It'll all be rain here this evening. And then as we go towards daybreak, we'll start to bring in some drier air, but perhaps some flurries over towards Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County to start your Sunday. I'm not expecting any accumulation. May have a trace over towards some of the higher grounds, Erie and Crawford County in Pennsylvania. But look at this. By afternoon, we're talking sunshine tomorrow. We'll be on the cool side, and then as we wake up Monday morning, a front tries to work its way in here, lifts back off to the north, and that'll kind of trigger our warm-up starting Monday that you'll really like this week. And if you're traveling across the country tomorrow, we are high and dry again. A little bit of lake effect snow over towards Lake Ontario, and the west coast will be wet as well. But the big changes are on your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, not a bad day in the 40s, some leftover clouds early, but look at that, guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're talking near 60, and the other thing you'll notice is we're going to have sunshine. We don't see a lot of sunshine November heading into December, so it's just going to be gorgeous outside. And then I do see some changes on in the weekend. Looks like rain on Thursday and maybe some lake snow on Friday, but still no intrusions of Arctic air, and I know you both like that phrase.
Unseasonably warm is good.
We'll take it.
Yeah,
All right.
That's right.
Thanks, Matt.